Alright, for this problem, you only have to take notes. It says, a large circular pizza Domino's has an area of 154 square inches. The owner wants to order square cardboard pizza boxes that leave a half inch of space between each side of the box and the pizza. The information that we need to highlight is 154 square inches, and we also need to highlight that he's leaving a half inch of space between each side. Now, for part A, it says, draw a picture of the pizza in the box from the top view. Label all the important information you are given. So I'm going to draw it. Make sure that you draw it just like me. We are writing that each side has a half inch of space. So between the area of the pizza that is 154 inches square to the edge of the box, there is a half inch. Make sure that you do that part. Now, let's go to part B. Part B says, what is the diameter of the large pizza? Show your work and make sure that you use 3.14 for pi. Now, this goes back to the notes on circles, how we find the relationship between the diameter and the area. In that lesson, we covered that the radius is from the center to the point. Now, the diameter is the distance that divides the circle in half. So this is a two-part problem. You need to make sure that you are able to look for you need to work with the formula for the area backwards. So we are going to write the formula for the area, which is A equals pi r squared. Now we need to find r because the diameter is twice the size of r. Now we know from the previous part that the area is 154 inches square, and that should give us 3.14 r squared. We are trying to isolate the variable, so we are going to divide both sides by 3.14. $154 divided by 3.14 is approximately 49 inches square. And that is going to be equal to r squared. Now we need to find the square root. So we're going to find the square root on both sides. So for this, you can use a calculator if you don't know. But two numbers, well, a number multiplied by itself that gives you 49, that would be 7. So you know that your radius is 7 inches. Okay, now the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So our diameter is going to be approximately 2 times 7, which will give you 14 inches. That is the length of the pizza. Okay. Part C tells you When a pizza is placed in the box, how many square inches of the cardboard will not be covered by the pizza? Now, to be able to do that, we need to figure out the area of the box. In part B, we said that the diameter was 14 inches. Now, remember how we said that there was also a ½ inch of space between the box and the pizza, and that is in every single side. So this is going to be 1/2 inch. So now the length of the square is actually 15 inches, because you have 14 inches plus ½ an inch plus ½ an inch, that gives you 15. And since this is a square box, we know that the height is also going to be 15 inches. Now the only thing we need to do is find the area of the square, which is going to be 15 inches times 15 inches. And we are going to subtract the area of the circle, which is going to be 154 inches square. Remember, we are looking for the part that is not covered by the pizza. 15 times 15, if you want to use a calculator, you can. You get 225 inches square minus the 154 inches square that we had from the original circle of the pizza. Now your answer is going to be 225 minus 154, and that is going to be equal to 71 inches square. And that's how you get your answer, because they're asking you how much of the box is not covered. 71 inches square. And now you're done.